Hi, Mark Breadner from Yoga Coach. This practice is called Uddiyana Bandha. Uddi means upward flying, so it's a movement of energy upwards. And these bandhas are locks or seals. And what they do is store energy in the body and channel it in certain ways. This practice is really important because it lifts energy from the lower centers to the higher centers. And as science tells us that all life is energy, everything is energy. And we are a piece of energy, and that piece of energy is programmed in a certain way. It has a certain amount of information. That information is based on what we're paying attention to, your karma, if you like. And for a lot of times, what we're paying attention to is quite limited. It's based around fears and anxieties. So we keep ourselves at a limited range, a narrow range. To be able to live a life of higher possibility, we have to upgrade and activate our energies. One of the ways to do that is Uddiyana Bandha. When you then combine that later with Mula Bandha at the root lock and Jalandhara Bandha at the chin lock, you begin to create a very powerful process. But the difficult thing for most people in this is learning how to do Uddiyana Bandha correctly. So that's our little lesson today.